Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Checkra1n app on iOS 14 device. So let's start. First open a browser. Now go to the URL checkra1n.com. Wait till the website is totally loaded. Now tap on Jailbreak Checkra1n 0.10.4. Now you have to follow this instruction. And tap on Download and Proceed. Now tap on Allow and a Checkra1n profile will be downloaded to your settings. Now follow this instruction and tap on Next. Now tap Done. Now all you have to do is follow the instruction given on the previous pages. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.